Hi families! I just wanted to show you our activity list and what is different about it for the upcoming weeks. So you'll notice that there is no more Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday button. Every list will just be one solid list. I have headings that will show you Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And I even added a little reflection piece here for your kiddo. So I just wanted to show you some different features. If you were unaware, if you are using a digital version, you can just click this right here and the directions will pull up. This is helpful if your kiddo can't read. They just hit play. Listen to the story, I Am Enough. And it tells them exactly what to do. We know that using tabs is a lot harder for some of our kids, so I also recorded myself using, and they can use the QR code in order to listen to what I'm saying. So if you're using a printout version, your kiddo can scan this QR code and it will tell them the directions. So if you scan this, it will say, listen to the story, that should say am, enough. If you want to know where to go to get to that video, well, if you're using a virtual, if you're using the virtual list, you can just go ahead and click here and it will take you. You're probably used to just seeing an ear there and you would click on the ear. We're not watching Netflix, I promise. It's just a story. And
don't you just love Bubbles?
I do love Bubbles. Oh, back to what we're doing. But if you're using the printout version, your kiddo would just scan this and it would take them to that video. So instead of having two lists for each reading group, one digital and one printable, everything is just right here for you. So if your kiddo is using the printable version, they can scan this QR code and it will give them a little brain break. And if you are using the digital version, they can still click the smiley face and it'll give them their brain break. So I just wanted to show you those different features. Everything still works the exact same. You are still using boom cards. You are going to be able to hear what is going on for the directions. All the links will still take you to where you're familiar with. The only thing different about this week coming up is that we are going to have them start finding a text on Epic. If you need the Epic code, just go ahead and check your teacher's class dojo and it is posted there. So we'll have them search the book, The Duck Doctor, and then read it on Epic, and then they can go to Seesaw for the activity. So that's the other thing that I wanted to show you is that let's go ahead and look at Monday, for example. So on Monday, there's an activity on Seesaw, and I just wanted to show you what that looked like. So I'm going to go into Seesaw, just like your child will. And what they're going to see is that there might be different activities. So this activity is not for all children, this open-close syllable. However, if you have this on your activity list, please make sure that your child does it. So some kids are working on open and closed syllables while others are working on L blends. So it's really important that you look at the pictures that are on the activity list and that your child selects the right one. So I Am Special is what we have for Monday, and you can know that because the picture is right here. And it even tells you in the directions, complete the I Am Special activity. So your child will click on the I Am Special activity and it tells them exactly what to do. It's going to be the same for boom cards. Please make sure that the icon right here, this little picture right here, matches what they're being told to do. So some students are doing L blends while others are doing open and close, and not every platform allows us to assign it to specific students. So we need to help them, remind them to look at the picture and know that that's the activity that you're doing. I hope that this helps you and that we have a great week. Remember that Monday is optional. Woohoo! There will be no reading groups tomorrow, Monday. So if your child is completed with their reading assessment, we will just see them after lunch for our teacher choice meeting. Have a great night.